Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today I'm going to show you my petunia flowers, petunia plant. These are my petunia plants. So many colors I have and they come in so many colors, wide range of colors and in double colors, and also there are double petunias with a double layer of petals. That also I will show you, but first please subscribe to my channel Garden Specialist Hindi. If you want to see my videos in Hindi, these videos are different, totally different from the English ones, and you can subscribe to that channel also, my second channel also, and see more videos. And see, I want to tell you that these petunias, as you know, are very beautiful plants with so many flowers. They give so many flowers, but if you don't deadhead them, deadheading is necessary. They will give pods, as I have shown you, and these pods, if they form, then the plant will start giving seeds or start making seeds, and the energy will be used in making seeds, and more flowers will not be come on your plant. So if you want that your plant gives huge quantity of flowers, then you should deadhead them regularly, and deadheading should be done below the calyx so that seed pod is not formed, and then your plant will be covered with flowers. And now the season is summer season is approaching, and the plants have become leggy. So I will show you how to collect the seeds of these petunias, and these seeds are very easy to grow. See, the double shade flowers also are very beautiful. These petunias like sun, but if you grow them in shade, then they will give flowers, but little quantity of flowers. So if you want that your plant to give so many flowers, then you should give appropriate amount of sun, give them a sunny place, and watering is required. Daily watering is required, because they need a lot of water. But if you don't water them 2 or 3 days, they become they droop, but they don't die. So they are drought resistant, or you can say not drought resistant, you can say they can survive even without water for 2-3 days. If you can't water them, they will droop, but when you water them, they will survive. These are double petunias, and they are also beautiful, but they look like carnations, but I think the single ones are more beautiful. It's your choice. You like double petunias or single petunias, both are the same, and both need deadheading. And when you have to collect the seeds or harvest the seeds, then you should just don't deadhead them, and just don't cut the spent flowers, and the seed pods will form. I will show you now how to make the seeds, or how to collect the seeds, how to make your plant give seeds. If you don't deadhead these plants, then you will get seed pods, and then you will get seeds, and this plant will give seeds and then die. See, this if seed pod is brown, now it is ready to be harvested. Seeds are ready, and this is green, so this is not yet ready. Now we have to just collect the seed pods, and I'm showing you how you can save the seeds. You can collect these seed pods and just dry them and keep them as it is, or you can just take out the seeds and then you can keep the seeds as you want. So see, these are very tiny seeds, but there are so many of them, hundreds of seeds in one seed pod. Many seeds are there in one seed pod, and they grow so well, so easy to grow. If the soil is correct, the soil is well drained and loose, then they will, and temperatures are appropriate, they grow very easily.